Hey guys, in this video I'll be doing the gaming review of Redmi Note 7. So before starting the test, the battery is at 100%. Let's start the performance test by playing PUBG, and the initial temperature is 34 and I've switched the graphics and frame rate to high. So as you can see, during gameplay there are noticeable amount of frame drops. Overall gameplay is fine. So it's better to switch graphics to medium settings for a smooth experience. Testing the temperatures, which raised to a maximum of 41, which is negligible amount of heat. Next I'll be playing Asphalt 9 Legends, and the initial temperature is 38 and I've switched the graphics to high. As you can see, the gameplay has been flawless with no frame drops, and the temperature raised to a maximum of 36. So the temperature dropped since I started playing Asphalt, and that's after close to 1.5 hours of extensive gameplay. So absolutely no heating issue whatsoever with the Redmi Note 7. Looking at the battery percentage, it's at 79%, which is not bad for a device that has a 4000 mAh battery. Redmi Note 7 can handle most games pretty well, but maybe not at the highest of settings with some games like PUBG. If that's not an issue, then go for the Redmi Note 7. And if you have any questions or video requests regarding Redmi Note 7, let me know in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my future videos. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.